Alright, so for this next video I wanted to show you guys the next assignment, which is L4, Translations Writing the Rule. And again, just to give you guys a little bit of a refresher of what we've done in the past, what we would do is they would already show you two figures that have already been translated. And what you're supposed to do is look at the graphed images and then come up with the rule after that. So if you guys remember what I had you do in class, I would have you guys compare what the old image was versus what the new image was. And just in case you forgot, the new image is always the one that has the little tick mark there right above the letter. So what we would do is we'd say, okay, well, if this is the original D and this is the new D, we would just count how many boxes it takes left and right to get from the new to from the old to the new. So to get to the new D, I would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units to the right, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 units up. And if you wanted to write the rule for that, you would say that the original XY, the X is horizontal movement, so X moved 7 units to the right, and then the Y moved 4 units up. That's all you had to do. And IXL kind of sets it up for you. They already have the XY here, and they say, well, what is the new rule for the translation? So we're doing the same thing here. Just pick a point, only one point. I'll pick E, and then say, how do I get from my old E to my new E? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right, so that's an X plus 4. So we went 4 to the right, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 units up, so it's Y plus 8. That's what you got to do for the rule here. So this one's pretty much the same as before. Just pick one of the points and then count to see where how it gets you to the next point. I'm just going to go ahead and jump a level because I think we're all capable of counting and writing the rule in this format. But if I were to jump a level, the only difference between like the questions later on is that they don't set up the X plus and the Y plus where you actually have to type that in yourself. But it's not that much different. So I'll just pick I'll pick Y, and then I'm going to figure out what my rule is. So to get from my old Y to my new Y, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 units to the right, so that's X plus 9. And again, if it was 9 units to the left, I would put minus 9. But so just remember, right is positive, left is negative, up is positive, down is negative. So I went 9 units to the right, and now I'm going to count how much I went up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 units up. So that's going to be Y plus 10. Hopefully I counted right. And I did. So yeah, that's essentially all you got to do. I'm going to see what happens if I jump in. So again, just count and then figure out what the rule is. Let me see what happens when I jump another level. It's pretty much the same thing again. I'll just do this one just, just for more practice. But I'll choose S this time. So I'm going to go from this S to that S. I guess they thought this was a harder question because you're going left this time, but it just means you can use a minus sign. So to go from this S to the new S, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to the left, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 down. So 9 to the left is X minus 9, and 10 down is Y minus 10. And I got it. So again, if you know how to count, you know how to do this IXL. This would be a really easy one to get some extra credit for if you really want to get to the 90s or so. So hopefully this helps. I'm glad these videos are actually becoming shorter and shorter. I think because the IXLs are getting shorter. So I'll just stop wasting your time, and good luck getting the assignment done.